Are you getting this error in SQL Server 2025 or 2022 on Windows 11? Don't worry at all. We will fix it step by step. Go to Control Panel, look for Programs, Programs and Features. You can look for SQL, type SQL. You can remove all relevant to the SQL Server. You can uninstall everything. Next step is, after uninstalling everything, go to C drive, program files, look for Microsoft SQL Server. You can also delete this folder. Sometimes antivirus blocks the installer. Temporarily, we disable the real-time production and try again. Remember to enable it afterward. Look for Windows Security. From the Windows Security, you can see here firewall is on for private network, firewall is on for domain network and for public network. You may turn off those firewalls. How to turn off? Navigate to domain network, turn off. Press yes, back. Go to private network, turn off, press yes. Go to public network, press yes, back. You can see here all the firewalls are off. Please remember to enable the firewall after the installation completed. After firewalls are turned off, please retry installation. If you see errors like database engine recovery handle failed or could not find the database engine startup handle, please check the link in the description. Comment your error if you need any help. Like, share, and subscribe to Muthu DevHub channel. Cheers, goodbye.